Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the #1 feature you need to make sure that your new dishwasher has. Inside the dishwasher, these sprayer arms, these have, look, these tiny little holes, these tiny little nozzles, if you will, that squirt out water. Here's the problem. Those get clogged up with food. I'm going to show you one right here. And this particular one has multiple clogged up. Look right there. That's why this dishwasher is not working well. It's not worn out. It's nothing like that. You're getting food stuck in there, and that's why it's not cleaning correctly. So you need to make sure that you have the ability to take that sprayer arm off and the ability to detach each and every one of those 4 arms. Let me show you how it's done. And by the way, lots of dishwashers today have this feature and lots of dishwashers do not have this feature. It is an absolute must when shopping for a new dishwasher that you have the ability to take these arms off. So if you look, I'm just kind of wiggling back and forth on this part. That's the part right there that detaches. It's made to do that, but not all dishwashers have this feature. Now look at how much gunk and grossness is there. So it's not just that little bit that's at the tip of that arm, that little sprayer clogged up. It's all the rest of the gunk in there. And you're gonna have to work hard to clean that stuff out. And you can see it just pops right back on there as well. You gotta push it all the way on. But that's the key feature that you need to make sure that your dishwasher has. You've got to take those apart, clean them out well. For some dishwashers, if those arms don't come off, you have to try to poke the gunk through the hole and then try to backwash it, and you will not be able to get it all out. I guarantee it. So make sure on your new dishwasher, you have the ability to remove those arms. Hey friends, I hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.